Kumusta? Magandang araw and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Cebu in Region 7 or Central Visayas. The Philippines is divided into three major island groups which are Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The province of Cebu is a part of Region 7 or Central Visayas. The four provinces comprising Central Visayas or Region 7 are the Province of Bohol, Province of Cebu, Province of Negros Oriental, and Province of Siquijor. The regional center is Cebu City. For the Province of Cebu, the provincial center is Cebu City. There are 11 legislative districts in the Province of Cebu, and they are 1st District, 2nd District, 3rd District, 4th District, 5th District, 6th District, 7th District, Cebu City 1st District, Cebu City 2nd District, the Lone District of Mandaue City, and the Lone District of Lapu-Lapu City. For the 1st District in the Province of Cebu, it is composed of 𝗓𝗓𝗄 City, Naga City, Talisay City, Municipality of Minglanilla, Municipality of San Fernando, and Municipality of Sibunga. For the 2nd District in the Province of Cebu, we have the Municipality of Alcoy, Municipality of Argao, Municipality of Boljoon, Municipality of Dalagete, Municipality of Oslob, Municipality of Sambawan, and the Municipality of Santander. The 3rd District is composed of Toledo City, Municipality of Aloginsan, Municipality of Asturias, Municipality of Balamban, Municipality of Barili, Municipality of Binangamungahan, and the Municipality of Tuburan. The 4th District is composed of Bogo City, Municipality of Bantayan, Municipality of Daan Bantayan, Municipality of Madre de Dios, Municipality of Medellin, Municipality of San Remigio, Municipality of Santa Fe, Municipality of Tobogon, and the Municipality of Tabuelan. The 5th District is composed of Danao City, Municipality of Borbon, Municipality of Carmen, Municipality of Catmon, Municipality of Compostela, Municipality of Liluan, Municipality of Pilar, Municipality of Poro, Municipality of San Francisco, Municipality of Sugod, and the Municipality of Tudela. For the 6th District, we have the Municipality of Consolacion and the Municipality of Cordova. The 7th District is composed of the Municipality of Alcantara, Municipality of Alegria, Municipality of Bajan, Municipality of Damanhog, Municipality of Ginatilan, Municipality of Malabuyok, Municipality of Mualbual, and the Municipality of Ronda. The Cebu City 1st District is composed of the following barangays: The Cebu City 2nd District is composed of the following barangays: The Lone District of Mandaue City is composed of the following barangays: The Lone District of Lapu-Lapu City is composed of the following barangays: Once again, for the province of Cebu, there are 9 cities and 44 municipalities, a total of 53. And that's all for this video, which is about the different cities and municipalities comprising the legislative district of the province of Cebu in Region 7 or Central Visayas. If you learned something new, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video.